Yeah, so it's almost 8 a.m. Still snowing a little bit. Actually, it just started to snow a little heavier. It was just kind of flurries a minute ago. But yeah, pretty coated. Looks like maybe the Northeast when I would visit as a kid. But this is not the Northeast. Pool's looking pretty good though. Maybe I'll hop in later. And yeah, gotta watch out because I don't want to slip. It's not really slippery, it's very powdery snow, which I like. I'm gonna probably try to make a snowman or something later. But yeah, here is the car. It's still snowing. I'm gonna try to walk to the street. I still gotta be careful a little bit. There's some people playing with the snow. I'm gonna go walk to the street. I wonder if McDonald's is open. And I'll be looking over there. I love the sound of like snow falling on trees and the quietness. Gotta be careful that there might be people driving. I do not want to get careful walking too, because it's icy. But yeah, I definitely don't want to get hit by a car. But this is what it looks like. It's snowing in Houston. Be careful, it's getting icy. Alright, here's the oh shit, I just water. I'm good. Okay. Everybody wants to go play in the playground, they can. Winter neighborhood, for sure. Winter. There's the cars, there's still people driving. I honestly don't think it's really that icy. I know they said on the news this morning, don't drive and all that. But I haven't really felt any ice. It's powdery snow, so that's always good. Really like my crunch. This is fun. Just some snow falling. I don't know how many inches it was. Said 3, so I wish I had a ruler, but I would say maybe 2 or 3 inches of snow. I mean, the roads aren't impassable. I don't know if an hour or so left to snow falling, but roads aren't bad. Make sure they don't get hit. Yeah, it is actually kind of slippery walking on this road, so I wouldn't go out driving. This is probably, I don't know, 3rd year in a row we had snow in Houston. I know 2017, 2021, either 23 or 24. My hands are getting a little bit cold, so I have gloves, but I can't really operate the phone with the gloves on. Let me see. Oh shit. So I got these gloves from Kohl's. Put the gloves on. Cars are coming along. I don't know if they gotta go to work or what, but it is. Everybody's looking at me. They're like, why is he filming? I don't know where I'm going. But yeah, I don't think anything is open. The McDonald's is open. I think the McDonald's is open during the 2021 storm. I remember I came out here to film as well. Yeah, look at that. It's coming down a little harder now. I don't know. It's just snowing, everybody. Look at that. You got the Subarus out there, you know, all-wheel drive, all-terrain. I'm probably trying to go to McDonald's. Like, damn it, they're closed. Risk my life for nothing. Oh, I was kind of slipping. Be careful, dude. Got the Chevy H2O truck, making sure there's water on the road. And listening to some music. Runs the red light. Alright, I'm gonna go walk a little forward and then I'm gonna head back. But, yeah. Pretty cool. We don't get this often. Well, I mean, not supposed to get this often. We've been getting it often. But yeah, I mean, we don't get 2-3 inches of snow. Not supposed to. I know we had a big snowstorm a few years ago. We had one last year, but it was kind of sleety, and I guess it wasn't as much. But it was fun. Glad it wasn't anything horrific. It's just powder snow. It's gonna be, I guess, a little hectic tomorrow since it's gonna be colder. And the snow is going to turn into ice. Yep. There it is, guys. Houston snow. Actually, there's a way for me to get home back there. Definitely don't want to be in this parking lot. What the heck? Somebody walked already. Before me. Oh shit, that's not in I'll probably just go to the park and then I'll head on home. See how much snow fell over there. Okay. You can still slip even on foot, so trying to be a little careful. Look at that. So that's cool. Unfortunately, yeah, I don't have work today, so I missed a day of work. I don't know if I'm gonna miss a day tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll see around 4 they're gonna announce. So, hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Sorry. Yeah, everybody's out enjoying the snow. Yeah, look at this park. Cars are covered in snow. Everyone's taking pictures and stuff. Mine being filmed. Oh, yeah, I love the sound of it just hitting the trees. Yeah, just gonna go need to sit on that bench for a minute. But probably does it for this video. Park the car right there. I'm not gonna sit on that bench. It's got snow on it. Oh, it's been really awesome. I'll make a snowman and then head home. Yeah, pretty cool. Look at that park right there. I'm gonna go on the swing sets. It's gonna be a slippery slide. I'll go have my lunch here later. My hands are like numb even with my gloves on. It's probably not good at all. Okay. Wow. Nope. Pretty cool. Is the trash frozen? Actually it is. Interesting. Yep. There's the snow, everybody. Thanks for watching.